Hey you guys, good morning. It's Friday and I wanted to show you guys my skincare routine. So I just woke up, so eyes are a little, face not washed yet, but I did brush my teeth, so boom. Anyway, I want to show you some of the products that I use for my skincare routine. I think my skin looks pretty good. It's even, it's clear, I don't have any blemishes, and I use the same system every single day. I am that type of person that I wash my face when I wake up in the morning. After I work out, I'll do it again. And of course, in the evening, I have a different regimen. So I'm gonna show you my morning regimen right now and the products that I use. But one thing about me, you guys, I am not a makeup girl. I like to wake up in the morning, do what I need to do, and be able to get out of the house. I don't wanna have to put on a full face. I don't wanna have to put on anything because I'm in the gym a lot. If I sweat, I don't want anything running. I don't put on an intensive moisturizer. I don't do any of that. I like to just have clear skin where I can just get up and go. So there's this place in Atlanta. It's called thek Cosmetics. This is where I go for all my facial needs. So I use their gentle cleanser. This is that. I come back with the toner, hyaluronic acid, my moisturizer. I also use the sunscreen after I get like microneedling or any type of actual facial. And then there's a second cleanser. It's an exfoliating cleanser. Sometimes I'll double cleanse. Do y'all double cleanse? I like it. My skin feels so squeaky clean. So I'll come with the gentle cleanser first, and then I'll come back with the exfoliating cleanser and then do the rest of my products. I also use a vitamin C serum from time to time. This is that. I don't use it every single day, but I try to keep my facial routine basic, right? So that it's easy. If I'm traveling, I can just grab this stuff, take it with me. It's just not too much. Yeah, let's get into the facial routine now. One of the main things is I do not use a washcloth. Washcloths harbor germs. It's like a sponge, right? So let me show you what I use in lieu of that. These are my disposable facial cloths. It's wet because I just got done brushing my teeth, but I use one of these. And then sometimes I'll actually use one of these. These are actually sponges. When you wet them, I'll show you. When you wet them, they actually turn into a sponge, but they're disposable. So I was telling you guys about thek Cosmetics, right? So I go every single month. It's like one of the most premier spas in Atlanta. And I say that because they're just dope. Like, they're like a step above the rest when it comes to the services that they offer. The staff is friendly. Everybody's skin is amazing. And I look at that, like if I'm walking into a spa and you're offering me a service, but your skin doesn't look a certain type of way, it's like, how you gonna fix mine if yours is not together, right? So everybody's skin is clear. They're not in there with a face full of makeup on, none of that. They're showing you clear, dewy skin, okay? All right, so remember that sponge I was telling you about? So they look super flat. Little cute heart. And I'm gonna wet it. Look, literally turned. It literally turned into a whole sponge. So satisfying. I love stuff like this. All right, let's get into the facial routine. All right, I have my sponge. Just a drop of the gentle cleanser. And then I literally just start scrubbing my face. The good thing about this little sponge, it also has like a little bit of exfoliating aspects to it. And I like that too. Listen, the aim is for clear, smooth skin, nothing rough. Get up and go and look glowy, dewy. All right, so once I do my thing for just a little bit, then I'm gonna come back with my cleansing cloth and rinse it off. Remember I told you about the double cleansing? I'm a double cleanse today, so I'm actually not gonna wash this off. And complete the cleansing. And like I said, I wash my face anytime I feel like it needs to be washed. I have very oily skin too, so if it's too much oil, I'm definitely gonna cleanse it. I don't want any blocked glands. Oil is good though. Keeps away wrinkles. My mom is 82. That woman barely has a wrinkle on her face. Her thing is because she has oily skin. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what she says. Who am I to refute her, right? All right, so let's rinse it off. I'm taking one of my cleansing towelettes. And now I'm just gonna start to just wipe everything off, that's it. The good thing too, it doesn't create like, too much of a lather, so it's easy to wash it off. I got this new nose ring. I think I'm gonna take it out because it's driving me crazy. So I'm like trying to always go avoid it and go around it. You ever see people with nose rings and like around their nose ring it just looks crusty? Ugh, I'm not having that. Keep on wiping everything off. See this? It's from my scarf last night. So I sleep with a scarf on my head every night, whether my hair is done or not. It's a weird hack. I have this fear of something crawling in my ear. I've had it since I was a little girl. So stupid, but I saw this movie when I was a kid and something crawled in this kid's ear while they were sleeping. So ever since that, I literally sleep with a scarf on every night and it's over my ears. All right, done. So sometimes I'll take my little fan, kind of dry it a little bit. Now I'm coming in with my toner. Let's dry that. All right, this is the final step. This is the Lip Cure by Charette Cosmetics. This is the best lip balm I have ever had, y'all. And it lasts like all day. All day. I love it. Cannot be walking around with no chapped lips. That is not a thing. Just like that. I am ready to go. Everything is done. Now I'll get dressed. I gotta do a little baby hair. I'm not good at that, but I'm gonna do a little baby hair because my forehead's big. And then I'm gonna get dressed and I'm good going about my day. So this is my skincare routine, my morning skincare routine. I will come back with another video for my evening skincare routine. So here's my skin afterwards. Looks good, right? Yeah, I OD'd on the Lip Cure, so what? But yeah, moles and freckles, but looks good. It's clear. Get into it. And I'm gonna drop the links, you guys, for all the products that I use. I also have a discount code, Mrs. 2 Weeks Out. You can use that. Grab these products, they're amazing. Yeah, don't say I didn't put you on. And you guys have a great day.